Dopamine Jailbreak now supports iOS 16, including the latest version of iOS 16.7.15. Yes, you heard that right. You can finally jailbreak your iPhone on the newest iOS 16 without using a computer at all. No cables, no complicated setup, and no technical skills required. Everything can be done directly on your iPhone and in just a few minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method so you don't make mistakes. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share some important tips to make sure your jailbreak works perfectly on the first try. So, let's get started. I'm testing the jailbreak on my iPhone running iOS 16.7.11. As you may know, Dopamine Jailbreak previously only supported up to iOS 16.6. But with this latest update, it now supports newer versions, all the way up to iOS 16.7.15. And yes, this is a big update, and this method is completely without a computer. To install Dopamine without a computer, open Safari on your iDevice. Then, open this website, applejr.net. Once the website is fully loaded, tap on the jailbreak menu at the bottom of the screen. After that, you will see several jailbreak tools available. Before installing anything, please pay attention to this important step. To make sure the installation works properly, you need to install the applejr DNS profile. So now, tap on Install DNS. A pop-up will appear. Just tap Allow. Once the profile is downloaded, go to your settings. At the top, you'll see Profile Downloaded. Tap on it. Then, tap Install. Enter your passcode if needed and confirm the installation. Once the profile is installed, now go back to the applejr website in Safari. And this time, tap on Dopamine Jailbreak. Then tap the Install button. If a pop-up appears, just tap Install. Go back to your home screen and wait the download to finish. Now, once you try to open Dopamine, you might see a message saying Untrusted Developer. To fix this, go to your settings. Then scroll down to General and tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, you will see the developer profile for the Dopamine app. Tap on it, then tap Trust. After that, go back to your home screen. And now you can open Dopamine without any issues. You will see a simple interface with a jailbreak button on the screen. Now, tap the jailbreak button. You will be asked to choose a package manager, either Sileo or Zebra. I recommend choosing Sileo because it's more stable and easier to use for beginners. Once you've selected it, the jailbreak process will begin. Dopamine will begin the jailbreak process by downloading and preparing the kernel. Just wait for a moment and do not close the app. Your device may restart. Just be patient and let the process finish. Once your device has restarted, your iPhone should now be successfully jailbroken. On your home screen, you will see the Sileo app installed. This means your device is now ready to install jailbreak tweaks and customizations. You can open Sileo and start exploring available tweaks. To confirm your jailbreak status, open the Dopamine app again. You should see that your device is marked as jailbroken. Inside the Dopamine app, you can also access the settings menu. From here, you can manage your jailbreak, customize options, or even remove the jailbreak if needed. And that's it. Your iPhone is now fully jailbroken using Dopamine without a computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.